Guys, I accidentally flooded my house. So today's gonna be the saddest day. Rest in peace, house. Gonna explode it.
Daddy finger, where are you?
Rest in peace.
Here I am. How do you do?
Rest in peace, house. Rest in peace. I'll be back in a moment. It just made it worse, guys. Just made it worse. Where am I gonna sleep now? Well, rest in peace, house. Gotta keep going.
Yeah.
I can't. Why did I do that? I killed my own.
Are you ready?
I see.
Are you ready? Daddy finger, where are you?
No, not my house. The treehouse okay? My house barely okay, guys. Need to fix it.
Yeah. Open it. I'll be right back, okay?
Rest in peace. Whoa! Rest in peace. My house. Wait, my secret passages. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Did I explode it? No, 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 no. Only one way to find out. Go into the passages. At least I have a house.
Yes, but I think we can open. Honey, you can open the big egg first, yeah? Yes. Wow. You need my help, yeah?
There's only one way to find out.
So we had a big surprise.
Oh no, this is the way.
Open a minute. Bye.
What? Guys, rest in peace. This is my secret passage. Do not go. Do not go, teachers. This is how I'm gonna do it.
You have a chocolate? Okay, that's what we have. Here. We have a big egg and a small egg. Surprise, I mean. Yeah. That's the small one. It's something here. We had something similar, I think. We'll see what it will be. Yeah, we didn't have it before. That's cool. We'll check it out in a moment. And the second one? Yes, we have a sheep or lamb on the back. Which is nice toy, I think. We had it before. I'm not sure was it the same color. But it's kind of nice.
Sold.
Something like this.
Baby. Pie. It's sold. It's sold. Goodbye.
We have two kinds of things like this and things like that. Sammy, get one.
Why am I doing this? I deserve this.
Play for two, I guess, and you can just shoot like this.
should go to hell. Bye bye, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.